Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Sinta Budrelza as a moderator and a speaker from the group 6. So today we will discuss about application letter and curriculum vitae. So before we start our material today, I want to introduce my friends. First is Rosmatisa and last is Fitria Aryani. So the first materials is definition application definition and purpose of application letter delivered by me. So an application letter, also known as a cover letter, is a formal document written to express interest in a job position at company or organization. So purpose of application letter have four. The first is to introduce yourself to the potential employer, to highlight your interest in the job position. The three is to summarize your qualification and explain why you're good fit. And the last is to request an interview. And the next is Fitria Aryani. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks to moderator. I explain about structure of application letter. The structure of application letter have many structure. The first is header. Header includes your contact information and the employer's contact information followed by the date. And the next structure is salutation. The salutation is a polite greeting, usually addressing the hiring manager by name. And the next introduction. Introduction is a brief opening that states the position you're applying for, and a compelling reason why you are interested in the role. And the next is body. From body, have three paragraphs. The first is paragraph is discuss your current position and relevant experience, and the next paragraph 2 highlight specific accomplishment that demonstrate your skills and qualification. And the next paragraph 3 explain why you are a good fit for the company and the role. Okay, next about the structure. The next structure is conclusion. A conclusion is a closing paragraph that reiterates your interest and invites for discussion, typically including a call to action for an interview. And the last is signature. Signature is a polite sig of followed by your name and sometimes your digital signature. Okay, the next material about language use application letter. The language use application letter have the first is formal tone. Formal tone use the professional language throughout. And the next is clear structure. Clear structure in introduction, body, and conclusion. And the next address. Start application letter with dear hearing manager's name. And the next objective, clear state the position application for. And the next case skill, highlight a relevant skill and experience. And the next polite closing and sincerely. And the last signature. Okay, and this is example from application letter. From example, the from the example application letter have date, have address, has signature, has opening, have a body, and the last signature. Okay, is material. I back to the moderator.
Okay, thanks moderator. I'm Rosmatisa. I will explain the material curriculum vitae. A curriculum vitae is a document summarizing education for experience, skill, and achievement. The purpose of curriculum vitae to provide a detailed overview of your professional and academic history to showcase your skill, achievement, and qualifications. They demonstrate your suitability for the job role through a comprehensive record. Okay, next, structure of curriculum vitae. The first, contact information, contain your name, phone number, email address, and sometimes a LinkedIn profile. Next, professional summary, a brief section summarizing your experience and key skills. Next, work experience, a detailed list of your previous job position, including job title, company names, location, and dates of employment. Each entry includes a bullet point highlighting your duties and achievements. Okay, next, education information about your academic background, including the grades earned, institution attended, and graduation dates. Okay, next, certification, any additional certification or training program you have completed. Next, publication or research. For academic roles, a list of your published work or research project. Okay, next, language. Language you speak and your proficiency level. Next, professional membership, association or organization you belong to. The last, references optional if include usually available upon request. Okay, the next, language use curriculum vitae. The first, clear formatting, use bullet point, heading, and white space professional summary. Next, reverse chronological order. Next, keyword optimization. Next, relevant session, education, work experience, skill, and achievement. Okay, next, example of curriculum vitae.
Okay guys, that's all our material today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Sita Pudraza. I'm so sorry if there is mistake. And thank you very much for your attention. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.